Welcome back everyone. Now be completely honest, do you like it when it's zoomed in a little bit more like when it's back here? Or do you like it when I'm all up in your face? Please let me know in the comment section below. But basically I'll go ahead and show you exactly how to fix your Snapchat account if you're having a bunch of network issues. Now typically when you go ahead and try to log into Snapchat, there may be some cases where it tells you, oh, you have to go ahead and log in, or you have to, network issues are affecting your login process. And typically when this happens, it's a very easy fix and it doesn't take too much time. So the very first thing you want to make sure is, first of all, make sure you are not on airplane mode. Now, whether you have an Android or an iPhone or whatever the case is, the process is exactly the same. All you want to do, make your way over to settings, and you just want to make sure that your airplane mode is not on. Now, typically on a lot of different phones out there, it'll basically tell you the airplane mode is right on the top of the settings panel, whether you have an iOS device or a really skinned up version of Android. Typically, you'll see the airplane mode thing right here, or you can also swipe down from the control center or swipe up in the control center on some devices, and you'll basically see that your airplane mode is right there, and you may or may not have issues there. If you do, if your airplane mode is on, then probably you're going to have issues, but if it's not, then you're probably set and you're good to go. Now in this specific case, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and hop out of here, and you want to make sure that your Wi-Fi connection that you're connected to is perfectly fine and doesn't have any issues. Now, a great way to test this is to open up literally any type of web page, just like Safari. And what you want to do at this point is you'll probably see a bunch of different stuff, either you're on Google Chrome or whatever, and you want to basically load up a web page. Now, typically when you go ahead and do this, you may or may not run into issues. If you do run into issues, then obviously this is where the issue is. Your Wi-Fi connection is bad. But if you don't run into any issues, then your probably Wi-Fi account is fine. And you probably are getting internet connection and everything. Now, as you can see, I loaded up this web page and it's working out perfectly fine, which is great. But like I said before, you may have some issues here. And if for some reason your internet connection is just not allowing you to load up web pages, then you're going to have to go ahead and fix your Wi-Fi connection, because you pretty much narrowed down the problem. Now, let's say that's not an issue either. Well, then this basically means that you have to go ahead and update your Snapchat to basically one of the newer versions. Now, basically, in order to do this, what you want to do is open up your App Store. You want to go ahead, whether it's the App Store or Google Play Store, it's the same thing. You want to make your way up here, and you want to just type in Snapchat just like this. Go and search it, and you'll see that your Snapchat app is here. And if you see a little update button, whether it's here or whether it's on the Google Play Store, a little bit of a different area, you want to go ahead and update your device. Now, this is a very easy process. You just have to click that button and I'll go ahead and update it for you, and I'll go ahead and update just for the sake of this video. And then from there, you want to go ahead and see if you're actually able to log back into Snapchat. If you are, then you're set, then you're good to go. If you aren't, then your best bet is probably deleting Snapchat, restarting your phone, turning it back on, and re-downloading Snapchat, and that might end up fixing the issue. And if you're still running into issues, I'd probably recommend re-watching this video, and from there Snapchat will, probably end up working again. So that really pretty much covers it up. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys could hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.